A SIM PIN, or personal identification number, is a 4-digit code provided by your carrier service that secures your SIM card, preventing unauthorized access to calls, texts, or data. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to change the SIM PIN on your iPhone, ensuring your SIM card remains protected with a code of your choice. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone, and navigate to the Cellular menu, which houses options related to your mobile network. Scroll down until you find the SIM PIN option and tap it. If the SIM PIN toggle is already enabled, you'll see a Change PIN option below it. Tap this to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter your current SIM PIN to proceed. If the SIM PIN feature is not yet enabled, toggle it on, and input the default PIN provided by your carrier, which is typically included in the SIM card packaging or printed directly on the SIM card itself. Be cautious if you're unsure of the default PIN. Avoid guessing, as entering an incorrect PIN multiple times, usually 3 attempts, will lock you out of your SIM card, requiring you to contact your carrier for assistance. Once you've accessed the SIM PIN settings, tap Change PIN to update your code. Enter your current PIN, then input your new 4-digit PIN and retype it to confirm. After verifying the new PIN, tap Done to save your changes. This will update your SIM card security code, ensuring it's protected with your chosen PIN. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your SIM PIN on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, or leave a comment below with any questions. Catch you in the next one. Bye.